Hilum is a scar on the option number 1 fruit where style was present, option number 2 fruit where it was attached to pedicel, option number 3 seed where micropyle was present, and option number 4 seed where funicle was attached. Here the hilum is nothing but the seed where funicle was attached. Option number 4 is correct. Next question. Filiform apparatus is characteristic feature of. Filiform apparatus is nothing but it is the part of the synergids, and these synergids are present lateral side of the egg cell inside the ovule. Here the option number 3 is correct, that is the synergids. This question is asked in 2015. Next question. Megasporangium is equivalent to. What is megasporangium? It is the part of the female gametophyte where megaspores are produced. That means inside the megaspore or megasporangium ovule is developed. That means here the option number 3 ovule is correct. This question is also asked in NEET 2013. Next question. Function of filiform apparatus is to. That is, we already see the first question. The filiform apparatus is nothing but which is present at the region where synergids are present inside the ovule, and this filiform apparatus is useful for entry of pollen tube, that is useful for fusion of male gamete to the egg cell. Here the option number 4 filiform apparatus guide the entry of pollen tube to fuse the male gamete to form a diploid zygote. This question is also asked in 2014. Next question. Function of filiform apparatus is to. This question is a double. It is also useful for guide the entry of pollen tube. Next question. Product of sexual reproduction generally generates. That means what produce after sexual reproduction, or what is the output of sexual reproduction. Here the option number 1 new genetic combination leading to variation. That means sexual reproduction is nothing but formation of genetic combination, that is the offsprings, which shows the variation. Option number 1 is correct. This question is also asked in NEET 2013. Next question. Megaspores are produced from the megaspore mother cells after. That means the megaspores are produced from the megaspore mother cells. The process is called as the megasporogenesis. That means megaspore mother cell is the diploid cell and megaspores are the haploid. Due to this, meiotic division is required for converting diploid to haploid, and here the option number 2 meiotic division is the correct option. This question is also asked in Karnataka NEET in 2013. Next question, which is asked in Karnataka NEET 2013. Which of the following statement is correct? Option number 1 sporopollenin can be degraded by enzymes. Option number 2 sporopollenin can withstand high temperatures but not strong acids. Option number 3 sporopollenin is made up of inorganic materials. Option number 4 sporopollenin can withstand high temperatures as well as strong acids and alkalines. Here what is sporopollenin? Sporopollenin is nothing but the chemical which is present on the exine of the pollen grain and which cannot degrade or which cannot decompose, that is, it is useful for existence of pollen grains. That means here the option number 4 is correct. Sporopollenin can withstand high temperatures as well as strong acids and alkalines. It is useful for long persistence of pollen grains. Next question asked in Karnataka NEET 2013. Animal factors are required for pollination in. Here the question is related to the pollination, that is, different types of the biotic factors, that means insect, butterfly or any other factors are required to pollination, and which of the following is required to pollinate by animal. Here Felisneria is the aquatic plant, maize pollinated by the wind, mulberry, next cucumber, that is answer here 4, cucumber is pollinated by animal. Next question which is asked in 2012, which one of the following statement is wrong? Vegetative cell is larger than generative cell. When pollen is shed at two-celled stage, double fertilization does not take place. Option number 3, pollen grains in some plants remain viable for months. And option number 4, intine is made up of cellulose and pectin. Here option number 1, vegetative cell is larger than generative cell. Option number 2, that is here the wrong statement is asked. Option 1, vegetative cell is larger than generative cell, it is the right option. That means this is not the answer of question. Option number 2, when pollen is shed at two-celled stage, double fertilization does not take place. Here the option number 2 is correct. Next question asked in 2007. Male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the division of. We know that from which cell two male gametes are formed. That is, this is question related to the male gametophyte. From generative cell, two haploid male gametes are formed. Answer number, that is option number 2 is correct. What is the direction of micropyle in Anatropous ovule? This question is related to the angiospermic ovule asked in 2002. That is, the position or direction of micropyle is asked with respect to Anatropous ovule, and the micropyle is downward in direction in Anatropous ovule. Due to this, here the answer is 1, that is the downward. Next question, in angiosperms all the 4 microspores of tetrad are covered by a layer which is formed by. That is already seen in previous questions. That is, the microspore or the pollen grains is covered by a protective non-biodegradable or non-decomposable substance which is called as the sporopollenin. Due to this, here the answer is option number 4, sporopollenin. Next question, the endosperm of gymnosperm is. That is, what is endosperm? The endosperm is nothing but it is the formed by the fusion of secondary nucleus with one male gamete. And in angiosperm, the endosperm is triploid due to the diploid secondary nucleus fuses with haploid male gamete. But here question is asked with related to gymnosperm. In gymnosperm, the endosperm is haploid. This question is asked in 1999. Next question. How many pollen grains will be formed after meiotic division in 10 microspore mother cells? That is, from single microspore mother cell, 4 microspores or 4 pollen grains are formed. This question is asked in 1996. That means from 1 microspore mother cell, 4 times pollen grains are formed. Due to this, here from 10 microspore mother cells, 40 microspores or pollen grains are formed. Option number 3 is correct. Next question. In an angiosperm, how many microspore mother cells are required to produce 100 pollen grains? It is here also related to microspores. Question is asked in 1995. In angiosperm, how many microspores, that is the pollen grains, mother cells, microspore mother cells are required to produce 100 pollen grains? That means from single microspore mother cell, 4 pollen grains are produced, and for 100 pollen grains only 25 microspore mother cells are required. Due to this, here the answer is 2. 25 is correct. Next question. Tegmen develops from, that is, tegmen is the covering of the seed, that is the testa and tegmen. That is, testa is the outer covering of the seed and tegmen is the inner covering of the seed. That means in ovule, after maturity, inner integument converts into tegmen and outer integuments convert into testa. Here the answer, option number 3, inner integument, is correct. This question is asked in 19.